Alright, let's play a little thought experiment. Imagine you're scrolling through Reddit late at night and you stumble upon a thread titled Raiz Investments. How much are you throwing in? Your eyes widen. Are people really making money with this app? Is it just hype? And the big question, how much should you be investing? We've all been there, right? That feeling of FOMO, the fear of missing out on a potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Raiz, with its sleek interface and promise of effortless investing, has definitely captured the attention of many, especially those on Reddit. But the sheer volume of opinions and strategies can be overwhelming. Some are talking about micro-investing, others are advocating for lump sums. So, how do you cut through the noise and figure out what's right for you? Today, we're diving deep into the Reddit rabbit hole of Raiz investments, and we're going to figure out how much you should actually be putting in. Forget the generic advice, we're going to get real. First, let's address the elephant in the room. There's no magic number. What's right for one person might be disastrous for another. Your financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals are unique. But here's what the Reddit threads do consistently highlight. It's not about the amount as much as it is about consistency. Many users emphasize the power of regular, automated contributions, even if they're small. They're talking about setting up weekly or monthly transfers, letting the app do its thing, and watching their balance gradually grow. Think of it like this: if you're just starting out, throwing in $10 or $20 a week might seem insignificant. But over time, with compound interest working its magic, those small amounts can add up to something substantial. It's the set it and forget it mentality that resonates with a lot of people on Reddit. Now, let's talk about risk. Raiz offers different portfolio options, ranging from conservative to aggressive. Reddit users often debate which portfolio is best, and the consensus seems to be, it depends on your age and risk appetite. Younger investors, with a longer time horizon, might be more comfortable with a higher risk, higher return portfolio. Older investors, or those nearing retirement, might prefer a more conservative approach. But here's a key point from the Reddit discussions: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Many users recommend using Raiz as part of a broader investment strategy, not as your sole investment vehicle. This means having other investments, like superannuation or other diversified funds. Another recurring theme on Reddit is the importance of understanding the fees. Raiz charges a monthly fee, which can eat into your returns, especially if you have a small balance. Some users suggest waiting until you have a certain amount invested before jumping in, to minimize the impact of fees. So, where does that leave us? How much should you invest? Here's a practical approach. Start by assessing your financial situation. How much can you realistically afford to invest each week or month without impacting your lifestyle? If you're unsure, start small. Even $5 or $10 a week is a good starting point. Next, consider your goals. Are you saving for a house deposit? Retirement? Or just building a rainy day fund? Your goals will influence your investment strategy and the amount you need to invest. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different portfolio options and see how they perform. You can always adjust your strategy as you go. Remember, the key takeaway from the Reddit discussions isn't about finding a magic number. It's about being consistent, understanding your risk tolerance, and using Raiz as part of a well-rounded investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.